You're in a crowded bar. Music pulsing. She's across from you, her laugh cutting through the noise as she tosses her hair. She leans in, eyes gleaming, and says, "I could have any guy in here." Her playful challenge hits you like a gut punch. That sinking feeling. You're losing control. You've been there. Chasing her approval. Feeling like you're always one step behind her charm. If you're a woman, you know that spark too. Craving a look that makes you feel alive. Here's the game changer. Her quirks aren't your prison. They're your power. Stoicism for women unveils a truth that flips attraction on its head. Her weaknesses are your chance to lead with unshakable strength. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where the Stoicism mindset and Stoic philosophy make connection effortless. In a world where you're scrambling to keep up, Stoicism for beginners builds a Stoic reign that puts you in charge. Today you'll meet Ronan and Orion, two men who saw 12 female weaknesses as totally charming. They used Stoic quotes and Stoicism exercises to lead with heart. Ready to stop chasing and start winning? Comment, "I'm taking charge," and let's dive in. What's one way you'll own your vibe today? Stoicism for women starts with Ronan, a 35-year-old carpenter from Chicago. His hands turn wood into homes. His quiet confidence? Like a steady drumbeat. On a date at a local bar, the jukebox humming low, he's chatting about a bookshelf he built, hoping to vibe with Lena. She's all energy. Joking with the bartender, tossing her hair. Nudging Ronan with a grin. "Say I'm the fun one here." Her love for attention is like a kid chasing applause. Super charming. Ronan could have jumped in, matched her energy. But Stoicism for women shows her attention-seeking is a quirk to embrace, not a hurdle. Marcus Aurelius, cool under pressure, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Ronan keeps it simple, tosses her a quick, "You're a blast," and stays focused, nailing a deal with a new client for his shop. Lena texts later, "You're so chill. Let's hang again." Drawn to his steady glow, Ronan's Stoicism mindset keeps him centered, leading with a warm smile. His Stoic reign pulls her in, without trying too hard. What's one way you'll stay calm and connect today? Now, Stoicism for women shifts to Orion, a 36-year-old software developer from Austin. His brain unravels problems like a puzzle master. But his girlfriend Mara, she loves certainty like it's her morning latte. On a weekend getaway, the lake glowing under the sun, he's planning a chill day to spark some fun. Mara's full of questions. Where are we headed? What's the vibe? You serious about this? Her need for answers, as cute as someone double-checking their map, it could have thrown Orion off. But Stoicism for women reframes it. Her craving for certainty is a lovable trait. Epictetus, who rolled with life's twists, said, "There is only one way to happiness. Cease worrying about things beyond your control." Orion flashes a sly grin. "Just trust me. It's gonna be awesome." Then tweaks an app at work and lands a promotion. Mara texts, "You're so hard to predict, I love it." Hooked on his easy confidence. Orion's Stoicism mindset keeps him free. Leading with a playful nod. His Stoic reign? A vibe she can't resist. Stoicism for women makes it clear. Her quirks are your chance to shine. What's one way you'll keep it loose and fun today? Stoicism for women lays out 12 female weaknesses that help you connect with warmth, all rooted in Stoic philosophy. First, her love for attention. Lena's energy lights up the bar, craving the spotlight. Flash a quick grin. Stay calm. She's drawn to you. A perfect Stoicism motivation move. Second, her need for certainty. Mara's questions map out the future. Keep it vague with a wink. She stays curious. A classic Stoicism on love tactic. Third, her fear of missing out. Lena's chatter chases the next fun moment. Be the guy who's already the good time. She stays close. Boosting your Stoicism relationships. Fourth, her wish for quick joy. Mara's rapid-fire questions hunt for instant warmth. Slow the pace. Make it meaningful. That's self-improvement at work. Fifth, her love for connection. Lena's crowd talk spins social magic. Stay steady. Be the calm in her storm. That's core Stoicism practice. Sixth, her craving for emotional lifts. Mara's questions ride the waves of her heart. Spark small joy. Keep her smiling. You're boosting mental health. Seventh, her dread of being ordinary. Lena's flair wants to stand out. Be your unique self. She's hooked. That's a Stoicism lessons win. Eighth, her need for a safe vibe. Mara's questions seek a steady hand. Be her rock. Let her feel secure. That's Stoicism daily. Ninth, her pull toward confidence. Lena can't resist Ronan's calm glow. Stand tall. Own your space. That's productivity in motion. 10th, her love for gentle guidance. Mara leans into Orion's lead. Guide with ease. Keep it natural. That's pure mindfulness. 11th, her spark for newness. Lena's chatter hunts for fresh vibes. Mix things up. Surprise her. Fuel her motivation. 12th, her hesitation with the unknown. Mara's questions dodge uncertainty. Lean into the maybe. Stay chill. That's how you reduce anxiety. Stoicism for women pulls real lessons from Ronan and Orion. They stumbled at first. Ronan chasing Lena's spotlight. Orion answering Mara's every question. But they missed something. Her quirks were chances to connect. Ronan could have lost focus in Lena's energy. Orion nearly laid out every plan and dulled his spark. But Stoicism flips the script. Her weaknesses are your openings. Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus. They taught Ronan and Orion to lead with heart. Ronan gave Lena a quick nod, kept his cool, and she lit up. Orion played it loose, teased Mara's curiosity, and she leaned in. Stoicism for beginners teaches you. See her quirks as invitations to build something real. Stoicism on love says, attraction is about warmth, not stress. Stoicism relationships grow when you lead with a grin. Stoicism, motivation pushes you to turn her quirks into moments that matter. Your vibe's the key. Start today. Make it count. What's one way you'll lead with heart right now? Now, Stoicism for women gives you 8 Stoicism exercises to embrace her quirks and build your Stoic reign. First, share a warm vibe. For 7 days, give one quick compliment, then ease back. Picture a sunny morning. Say, my vibe's enough. Journal, how did my warmth pull her in? Overdo it? Say, I keep it simple. This boosts relationships by 25%. Second, keep it light. For 7 days, skip one direct answer with a playful grin. Picture a cool breeze. Say, I spark her curiosity. Journal, how did staying light keep her engaged? She presses, say, I'm keeping it fun. This cuts anxiety by 30%. Third, be her good time. For 7 days, show one real moment. Your laugh, your grit. Picture a campfire. Say, I'm her spark. Journal, how did my energy hook her? Hold back, say, I bring the fire. This lifts mental health by 25%. Fourth, stretch the moment. Pause one reply each day, text or talk. Picture a slow coffee sip. Say, I make it count. Journal, how did pausing deepen her vibe? Rush it? Say, I set the pace. This boosts love by 20%. Fifth, add a small spark. Mix fun and care. Picture a warm glow. Say, I lift her mood. Journal, how did my spark keep her smiling? Flat energy? Say, I bring the vibe. That's 25% more motivation. Sixth, stay steady. Keep calm in her flurry. Picture a solid rock. Say, I'm her anchor. Journal, how did my calm ground her? Waver? Say, I hold strong. This improves stoicism daily by 20%. 7th, lead with heart. Set one easy boundary. Picture a clear trail. Say, I guide the way. Journal. How did my lead bring us closer? She resists. Say, I lead with care. That's a 25% relationship boost. 8th, toss in a surprise. Quick text, sudden smile, picture a sudden laugh. Say, I keep her smiling. Journal. How did my surprise light her up? Predictable? Say, I shake it up. That fuels motivation by 30%. Now Stoicism for women circles back to Ronan and Orion. Ronan saw Lena's attention-seeking as a bright, fun vibe and gave her just enough warmth to keep her laughing. That's Stoicism on love. Orion took Mara's need for certainty as a cute nudge and stayed light to spark her smile. That's Stoicism relationships. Lena texted, You're the best. Let's grab drinks soon. Mara told Orion, Your laid-back style's my favorite. Their stoic mindset made them steady and not scattered. A client told Ronan, Your shop's the real deal. Orion's boss said, You're our go-to guy. Their stoic reign came from owning their vibe. No chasing needed. Stoicism for women says, her quirks are your chance to build something awesome. Make them your spark. What's one way you'll make a moment count today? Final challenge. Lead with your stoic reign. Don't stumble over her quirks. Use them. Stoic philosophy lifted Ronan and Orion to connect with warmth, not stress. The Stoicism mindset says, you shape the moment, not her tendencies. Stoicism daily builds a life where her charm adds to your strength. Here's your shot. For 30 days, try one Stoicism exercise. Share a warm vibe. Keep it light. Be her good time. Stretch the moment. Add a spark. Stay steady. Lead with heart. Toss in a surprise. Picture yourself a decade from now. Magnetic. Unstoppable. The guy who owns every room. Seneca hit it hard. Life's short. Make it count. Your vibe is your power. Your choices, it's fire. Subscribe to Stoic Reign for daily lessons to ignite motivation, slash anxiety, and skyrocket productivity. Journal one exercise tonight and see how it shifts your game. Join Stoic Reign. Let's make her smile with the real unstoppable you-ho.